Oh, snap. Hey, everybody. It's Sean from Mr. Dirty Fender Productions, and we are going to go through how to maintain your bike. And what we're going to do is a Mr. Dirty Fender how-to video on how to fix your crusty chain. Let's get after it. All right, guys. So to change out your chain, what you're going to need is obviously a chain. This chain can be found on motosport.com. It's a firepower chain, so basically a standard chain, really good chain, well made. Straight slot screwdriver, and then a chain breaker. Also, it's easier to do a chain and all your maintenance with a little bit of help. All right, so first thing we need to do is locate the master link. The master link is gonna look different than the other links on the chain. It's gonna have a little opening here, and it's gonna be a little clip that is slid on to the bike. So first thing you do is you put your straight slot screwdriver on the back where the opening is, and then up against the two sides that are open. And what you wanna do is just quickly pop it so that it pops off partially, and then pop it right off. Next thing you wanna do is actually pop the master link out, and they might be, like this thing, a little rusty. Might need a little bit of help. So Mr. Dirty Fender, how to screw things up. There, as easy as that. All right, then, if your bike is in neutral, you should be able to nicely pull this old nasty chain, throw it out of here. Okay, so next what you want to do is you want to take the new chain and actually feed it onto the motorcycle. Be careful not to pinch your fingers, because you're going to have to actually get this through the rollers and the other chain guides. All right, guys, so in some cases you're going to need a chain breaker to cut down the chain. Basically what it does is pushes the main rivet through the chain so that you can actually cut it down without using a grinder or whatever. You get one of these at RockyMountainATVMC.com. In this case, the chain came the right length after we moved the axle forward, so we didn't actually need this. All right, now that your chain is on the bike, you want to put on your new master link. So what you're going to do is take this main link, and you're gonna line it up in the back here and shove it through. Now you're gonna take this part of the link, put that on. Now the next part is pretty important. What you wanna do with this master link, since your bike, hopefully your dirt bike doesn't have a reverse, it only goes forward, but with the chain going forward, you never wanna put this link on backwards, because it could hit something, pop it off, and then your chain could come off while you're hitting a jump or something like that. So that's very important that you put it with the rounded side forward in the front. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna put it on this first one like this, and you're gonna get it close to this next rivet here. All right, so what you're gonna wanna do now is get the straight slot screwdriver up against it, apply a little bit of pressure, and all you're gonna do is with your palm hit the back of the screwdriver. All right, so the next part is, these are your adjusters. There's a tick mark here on your axle block, and then also on your swing arm. So you want both sides of the bike to be the same to tighten or loosen the chain. Since it's a new chain, we have this thing cranked in quite a bit. So the chain will stretch as you ride, but also up here, what you wanna make sure you have is about 3 fingers of clearance behind the chain block on the top. So there is an actual measurement to that. I'm not sure what that is, but this is kind of my rule of thumb, is to make sure that you have about 3 fingers of clearance behind the axle block. Hey guys, thanks for watching the very first Mr. Dirty Fender how-to video. Like and subscribe. If you want to see more videos like this, throw it in the comment section what you want to see bike work, and we'll see what we can do to get that done. Don't throw away your old chains. If you're into being creative, you can turn this into a lot of different things. one keychain. There's probably 1,000 different keychains you can put on here. I mean, you only need 2 links to make a sweet keychain for one of your moto friends. So I'm gonna save this for my moto friends. And little brother Devin, if you're watching this, you're getting a sweet keychain for Christmas. All right, thanks guys. It's your boy Sean. Oh, I thought I wasn't gonna say it's your boy Sean. I forgot. But anyway, it's your boy Sean. Check you later. Oh, damn, I'm not doing check you later either. Check you later. See ya. The thing that we're gonna go through.
Sorry.
And today, you're gonna have. All right, so next what you're gonna wanna do is with angling your straight slot screwdriver, you line it up and then just give it a good pop.
Oh.
And it flies off into your eyes.
My eye.
Also, guys, don't forget, don't throw away your old chain. You know how many keychains are in this thing? 2 links makes a keychain, people. I mean, you can make a million keychains, sell this on Etsy or whatever you want, man. Look at all these keychains. Get that out of here. All right, guys, thanks for watching another Mr. Dirty Fender how-to video. And I said another one, even though this is the first one, but it's not the last one. And I actually might wait a couple months before I do another one to post this one so that I'm not wrong. And I can cut this, place it wherever I want. None of you will know about this, me messing up 1,000 times. Keychains for your family sitting right here. All you have to do is shove it in a jar of boiled vinegar or something to make the rust go.